Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making a seahorse. We start off with the eye, which is white. After that we will be making the head of the seahorse. I'm using orange for this. For the belly of the seahorse I'm using yellow. And it has a little bit of a belly because of a pouch the seahorses used to, well, collect their babies. For the background I'm using light blue and I will use a sponge to, well, apply this half around the face. For outlining I'm using red because it's a little, well, it's prettier than using black. Black is so harsh on little children, so right now I'm using red. So I wanted to make the bubbles a little bit different, so I'm thinking, could I use this? Well, I have a Leia Shelley Happy Hippie stencil, and there are some circles on it, so I thought, you know what? How about if I use those for those bubbles? But, yeah, I didn't like it. You'll see that in a moment. because it's too small. I wanted bigger bubbles. So I'm trying it out. I'm just, tapping it on. So you can see what the difference is. That's one. And I just thought, maybe two. I need a little bit more dark blue. And then it turned out, not how I wanted. Can we save it with a little bubble? No, we can't. No. Right now we're going back to our brush using a light blue. Right now I'm thinking, well, maybe I should have used a different kind of blue, a little bit more darker than the background, because I'm using the same blue as the background. But, well, I'm just doing it with light blue. And again, we highlight with white on the top and dark blue on the bottom. And as always, dots. Yes, this time I make them in white because, well, we pretend to be underwater, so yeah, you understand. Well, this is my seahorse. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and perhaps see you next time. Thank you. Bye.